In this video, I'm going to go over using the if formula in Excel. Also, if this helps you out, please do consider subscribing, and let's get into it. So the if formula is pretty simple. We're just giving Excel a condition to meet. So we're saying, if this condition was met, then do this, and if it's not met, then do that. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to show it with some examples. So here, I've got some sales order data to work with. I've got the customer information, the date, product information, and the total cost. So let's say that I wanted to create another column in column I, where I'm seeing if the quantity sold on any given day is greater than 5 or not. And we'll tell Excel that if the quantity was over 5, to return one value, and if it's less than 5, to return another value. You'll see how it works as I start building it out. So I'm going to start by adding a column header, and I'm going to call it quantity calc. And then right here, I'm going to start building out my formula. So I'm going to say equals if, and open my parentheses. And I'm going to say if F2 is greater than 5, to say high quantity. And if it's less than 5, to say low quantity. I'll close my quotes, add my parentheses, and hit enter. And I can drag this all the way down by double clicking right here. And now this if formula can tell us if the product sold that day was high or low in quantity. I'm going to do another example as well. Say that I wanted to analyze the total cost against a specific number, and if it's above that number, it'll be considered above the threshold, and if it's below, it'll be considered below the threshold. And I can just make up that threshold. So I'm going to go with $20. So I'm going to start by adding a column header, and I'm going to call it cost calc. And then I can start building out my formula right here. So I'm going to write equals if, open my parentheses, and I'm going to say if H2 was greater than 20, to say, quote, above threshold. And if it's less than 20, to say below threshold. And then again, I can just double click right here to drag it all the way down. And then this formula tells me if the cost for that day was above or below the threshold. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use the if formula in your analysis. If this helped you out, then please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.